I believe strongly that all of you remember that in 2015 of December, I was arrested in Victoria Falls. And I was arrested for saying one good thing. It was, Mr. President, people are suffering. And after that, I've been in and out of jails and also cells in the police stations. Why? Because I was standing for the people of Zimbabwe. I was standing for the voiceless. I was standing for the widows. I was standing for the orphans and the poor people in our nation. And you know what? It's not over until it is over. We are still going on with the struggle. I am coming in now representing Kariba constituency. The Tonga people marginalized since about 1958 when they were removed from the mighty Zambezi River. And they were removed because they were supposed to be giving way for the building of this dam, which was going to be providing electricity to the whole nation. But you know what? These people are in darkness for over 60 years, and we cannot allow this kind of a thing to happen. I'm coming to you, to Kariba, to represent you, to stand for you, and make sure that all is well for you. You know what? You are being made to pay just to fish in the dam, and that should not be. I will make that change. Thank you so very much.